where South Wales' two Coca-Cola League clubs faced a testing time against Welsh Premiership opposition.
Good challenge by Cardiff on Avian Jones. Breaks for Taylor. Taylor brought down by Kevin Scott. And it's Taylor with the free kick. Hangs in the air. Jones again under it. It's Byron Anthony with a header. Easy though in the end for Phil Priestley in the Bangor goal. And Cardiff could be caught here with the long clearance from Priestley. It's Paul Roberts turning, makes some space, shoots and just past the post. Good battling from Tony Gray for Bangor. These throws from Connolly have been dangerous for Bangor. Another long one into the box. Roberts there, comes off the head of Parslow though, corner. Parslow just getting there ahead of Roberts, not a big man but making a nuisance of himself. Scott with the corner, a good one off the head of Anthony, it's in! Bangor take the lead, an own goal from Cardiff captain Byron Anthony. Bangor won't mind though, 1-0 up in the early stages. Problems in the Cardiff defence, and you have to say that's in keeping with the run of play so far. Kift for Cardiff, decent cross, headed clear though by Avion Jones. Bangor struggling to get this one clear though. It's Jones again underneath it. Just about gets his head to that one before Taylor Jones completes the clearance. Shot back in from Anthony Taylor, but well over the Bangor crossbar. Another long hoof downfield from Phil Priestley. They've been pretty effective so far. Breaks for Connolly. First time ball through to Tony Gray. Behind the defence, shoots, but straight at Lee Barrett. Straight at the keeper to be fair, but good speed, good work from Tony Gray. Roberts making a nuisance of himself again. Baker dispossesses Taylor. First time shot, just flashes past the post. But Lee Barrett was beaten. Bangor just about beginning to impose themselves on this midfield. Good work from Les Davis. Breaks again to Paul Roberts. Rob this time though, with Kevin Scott. Good ball, excellent turn from Gray. Shot and hits the side netting. He turned Higgins, but he couldn't beat Lee Barrett, who'd closed down that angle. Did the hard stuff, not quite the space though to get the shot in on target. This time Cardiff City with a bit of an attack through Anthony Taylor. Good twisting and turning on the box, shadowed by Davis. Fleetwood with the cross in, cross comes shot, and Priestley needed to be alert there and tip that one over. Better from Cardiff City at the start of this second half. Huggins, another long cross-field ball. There's a bit more space opening up now though. Taylor, good cross, Jamal Easter's in and just fails to get his head to that one. Excellent stuff from Cardiff, good cross from Taylor. And but for another centimetre or so, Easter would have connected. Long one again for Fleetwood to chase. Gets the cross in. Problems in the Bangor penalty area. Players down. That's Easter, I think, who's fallen. It'll be Connolly who breaks, though, for Bangor City. Plenty of time to pick his spot. Again, a long ball for Gray to chase. Gray, who's impressed so far, wins the corner as well off Jamie Rowbury. Now there's that scramble in the box again. Everyone going for the ball. Connolly breaks with Blackmore, trips Jamal Easter. Corner then for Bangor. Jones! Avion Jones scores! That seals it for Bangor City, but it won't, because it's a free kick, says referee Kerry Richards. Well, Avion Jones certainly not impeding. The keeper nowhere. Maybe one of the other Bangor players in the area impeded someone. No goal though. Gray again takes on Nicky Fish. Holds the ball up well, gets the cross back in. Another corner for Bangor. They're just where they need to be down this end of the field in these final few seconds. Blackmore to take the corner. Lee Barrett punches clear. Good header down. Robert shoots just past the post.
Yeah, I thought we deserved it today. I thought first half we were excellent, created a lot of chances and restricted them, and they're a good team as well.
I've played at a reserve team, there's no senior players in there. although Stuart Feet was had odd bits and pieces in the first team, in the belief and the conviction that we would be good enough to beat Bangor. Wrong, and that's my fault. And if you could turn the clock back, you'd put 5 or 6 senior players in it. But it's a travesty, really, and it's a condemnation of those young players. If I'm thinking that I should have done that, but we're out, and that's the case.
We were a bit unfortunate a couple of times. We had a goal disallowed at the end, which I don't know what that was disallowed for, but it settled just for getting through. We've never got this far since I've been here, so pleasing night.